Hey guys, it's Melanie. Today's video is like a casual showing you guys what I wore this week. Friday right now, it's my Friday outfit, but I filmed a little insert clip of my outfit every day this week, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of myself. I dressed pretty cute this entire week. I didn't wear leggings once, so like pretty proud. That is an accomplishment for me. You guys really like my outfit videos and like outfit inspiration, outfit of the week. Hopefully you guys enjoy this and it gives you some inspiration. If you want to see more outfit ideas, make sure to follow me on Instagram because I always post my outfits on there. Let me know what other outfit idea videos you want to see, and other than that, let's get into this week's outfits. Good morning guys, I don't know why I just did that. Good morning guys, it is Monday, the first day of this week and the first day of this
outfits inspiration, showing you guys my outfits
day. Yeah, I don't know why I said it like that. Okay, well, I just woke up, too lazy to put makeup on today, but that's alright. It's a Monday. It's very sunny out this week, which I'm really excited for because last week it was pouring and I was gonna do my outfits video, but then it was literally like so ugly out that I kind of wore sweats every day during the week. But I'm starting off today strong, hopefully. It looks a little bit grungy, not gonna lie, but I really like it. So here's the outfit for Monday. Here we go. This is one of those outfits, the jeans at least. I literally forgot that I had these jeans, and then when I put them on, I was like, these are freaking cute. Why don't I wear them more? So now I'm gonna wear them more. And also, this is the first time I'm wearing these Converse. Sometimes I think Converse are ugly, but then sometimes like right now I think they're kind of cute. And also, I thought this design was on the outside. Am I tripping? Whatever. So now I think you can see by like I kind of look slightly e-girlish, slightly grungy, but not like all the way there. Like if I had a long sleeve underneath this that was striped, don't worry, I don't own one, that would be classified as e-girl, but we're not there yet. So here is the outfit. It's just a bunch of like very plain pieces, but then kind of put together to formulate this outfit. So this top, it's my fave top from Target, literally $5, just crop, plain, comfy tee. I wear it so often. Then for my necklaces, I just have a couple layered. I really like how these look together, and I feel like they're the perfect length for each other. I've been in love with layering necklaces for quite some time now. This long one is from Alexis Rice Cakes. Love that girl, from her shop, Honey by Lex. And then this one is just my Tiffany, like, kind of chunky one. Oh, I also have some rings on. I always forgot. But I have to wear rings now or else, like, my hands literally feel naked. This one is just a plain... Okay. This one's just, like, a plain little hoop. And then this one has, like, little hearts. I think this one's really cute. These jeans are from Boohoo. I absolutely love them. They fit so well. The rips are literally perfect. Like, they're so ripped, and I love it. And then I'm wearing my high top black Converse. And then underneath, I'm wearing some Nike socks, and they're kind of like scrunched, so you can't really see it. I don't know if that's ugly, but my leg, it gets cold. So that's my outfit for Monday. It's gonna be like that TikTok where I like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, bye. Hello friends, it is Tuesday. Tuesdays and Thursdays are my off days, so today I'm probably just gonna go to a cafe and grind out a bunch of homework and college apps. I also need to go to my high school and like talk to my teachers and stuff. So I just put together a kind of somewhat cutish outfit just because
I felt like it.
It looks very springtime, but you know, don't mind that. I really like how it turned out, so I'm gonna show you. I look like a total brandy It looks very spring, doesn't it? So this is the outfit for Tuesday. It's pretty simple, but it looks a little bit like, you know, I tried. This top, I actually really like it. I just thrifted it and cropped it, but it totally looks like something you could get from Brandy. Just saying, and it was like $1. And it was a large, but I think it fits pretty well. This skirt was thrifted, but it is Brandy / J-Gall, and it's like a corduroy mauvey pink color. And then for my shoes, I'm wearing high top Converse, and I'm also wearing these little frilly ruffle socks, which I've been obsessed with. I think they add a cute little detail. And then also for my accessories, I'm wearing my Pandora charm bracelet, and then I'm also wearing this little heart ring from Forever 21. And then on my other hand, I'm wearing my Pandora crown tiara ring thing that I wear a lot. And that is pretty pretty much it for Tuesday's outfit. I really like this outfit. I wish I could dress cute like this every day. Woo! Good morning, guys. It's Melanie. I don't know why I just said that. It is Wednesday. I have another outfit for you guys. I look kind of like I'm dying and I haven't slept at all, which is kind of true because I woke up at 4 a.m. to pee last night. Today's outfit is pretty cute. I'm pretty proud of it because usually I pick my outfits the night before, but then last night when I picked mine and I tried it out, it did not look cute. So I had to come up with an entire new outfit and somehow I did not end up in sweats. So this is an accomplishment and I actually really like this outfit. So this is outfit for Wednesday. Today I'm just going to school for a long time. I'm actually going early for like a meeting thing. And then after I'm going to study with my friend. It'll be a fun day. Alright, so for today's outfit, once again, some very basic pieces. I have this long white sleeve on from Zaful. And then my jeans are just these light wash mom jeans from PacSun. My shoes are white Air Force Ones. Peep my little hedgehog socks. They're so cute. And then this jacket is actually a very nice London fog jacket that I thrifted for like $5 or something, but it's also like petite and it has like scrunching, so it fits really well and it's actually really warm, which is very nice because we all know
I get cold very easily.
Sunny outside. That's a total lie. It's actually like 20 degrees out. And then for accessorizing, I have all my silver earrings on, but I'm wearing like these little gold hoops because I thought they looked cute. And then I'm wearing my star little choker necklace thingy. That's from Brandy Melville. So have the scrunchie on from Forever 21. It kind of matches my nails. They're growing out a little too much. And then I have this little Pandora ring on my left hand and then my hair, I just like a little tie back. That is pretty much it for Wednesday's outfit. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Thursday. It's also Halloween, so happy
Freaking Halloween.
whatever, we're chilling, okay? Thursdays, I have work today. I'm gonna go to like a cafe for a little bit, do some studying, kind of have a lot of schoolwork, you know? I'm a little bit behind. My fingers feel really naked if I don't wear anything.
There we go.
So guys, there is someone doing yard work.
Thanks.
Today's Halloween. I tried to look a little bit edgy for Halloween. This is my outfit for Thursday. This is the outfit for today. It's a little bit like festive.
Right?
It looks a little bit grungy, a little bit edgy and spooky, I guess. Not really, but this top is like a dark gray and I don't know if you can see it. It has kind of like purple tiny little roses on it. This top, I had it in my recent haul. It is from ThredUp, but it's originally from Urban Outfitters. Really love it. It has the little ruffles. It's like my favorite kind of just like, you know, casual crop top. And then these jeans are just some super ripped boyfriend mom jeans from Garage. I just held them up with this belt from Brandy Melville. And then for my shoes, I'm wearing these black high top Converse once again. For my accessories, I'm just wearing my Kendra Scott necklace thingy. For my rings, I have this little flower one because, you know, it kind of matches these flowers. Not really, but you know, I tried. And then on the other hand, I just have a plain ring and then this one on my wedding ring because apparently I'm married. And then for my earrings, I have this little like dangly thingy. These are from Urban and I think they're really cute. And also for my hair, I did these cute little like braid thingies and I did the little like, you know, Mulan like bows thing. I need to go to Starbucks and study. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the last day of outfit. Okay, bye. Hey guys, it's Friday and the last day for my outfit. It's also probably my favorite one. It's not super fall. It's actually not very fall at all. It looks kind of springy, but you know, that's fine. It's probably, did I already say this? Yeah, I'm kind of, yeah, I need coffee or kombucha. It's very kind of springy, but I really like it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my last outfit right now. Okay, I just really love this outfit. It would look cute without this jacket, but it's freaking cold out. I'm trying out this new trend with the little, like I literally bought the shoelace to wear it as a belt. I don't know if that's stupid. I probably could have taken it off my shoes, but those ones are dirty. I'm trying out this trend. I think I saw it on TikTok. It's a little embarrassing, but you know, I like how it looks. It's not very practical. It doesn't keep my pants up, and I don't think I'm wearing the right pants. I feel like you should wear it with like straight tight jeans, you know what I'm saying? But I don't own those.
Yeah.
I will get some. This is my outfit for Friday. It's basically all brandy, which is a little embarrassing. Literally my wardrobe. For starters, this little tank top, it's a little dainty thing. It has nice little lettuce trim. This is from Brandy Melville.
Obviously.
The jacket is also from Brandy. It's my favorite little cropped one. I wear it all the freaking time. My jeans are my mom jeans from PacSun. I have my cute little shoelace belt thingy that I think I got it from Amazon. Clutch. And then for my shoes, I'm just wearing some high top white Converse. Then for the accessories, I have on this pink mini scrunchie. That's from PacSun, my Pandora charm bracelet. And then for my rings, I have this little heart one from Forever 21. And then this little, and that's it for Friday's outfits. Okay guys, so those were all my outfits for this school week. I hope that you guys enjoyed them and that they give you some inspiration if you don't know what to wear. Be sure to let me know which outfit was your favorite, and also let me know what kind of outfit inspiration videos you would want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!